Hi everyone! Ready to make laundry day a bit more fun and eco-friendly? Today, I'm excited to share with you some simple yet powerful ways to make your laundry routine more eco-friendly. And maybe even a little less boring. Let's dive into 9 easy hacks that will help you save energy, water, and even some money. Because who doesn't love saving money? First, let's set the mood with a little inspiration. Cue the Zen music. Proverbs 12:10 says, "The righteous care for the needs of their animals." And their laundry, apparently. And remember this wonderful quote: the earth is what we all have in common. So let's not mess it up, okay? Now let's take these words to heart and start making a difference right in our laundry rooms. Yes, even in there. Hack number 1: wash with cold water. Your clothes will thank you for the chill vibes. Did you know that heating water accounts for 90% of the energy used by washing machines? That's a lot of hot air. Modern detergents are designed to work just as well in cold water, so you're saving energy and being kinder to your clothes. It's a win-win. Hack 2: always wash full loads. Because who has time for half measures? This maximizes the efficiency of your machine. And your time. If you need to do a smaller load, make sure to adjust the water level settings. Because every drop counts. This reduces both water and energy waste and makes Mother Nature smile. Next up, hack number 3: use eco-friendly detergent. Because your clothes deserve the best. Look for detergents made from natural, biodegradable ingredients. It's like a spa day for your laundry. These are free of phosphates, synthetic fragrances, and dyes. No nasties here. Plus, they're often formulated for cold water washing. Double eco points. Hack 4: air dry your clothes. Let the wind do the work. Skip the dryer and use a drying rack or clothesline instead. Your clothes will thank you. This saves energy, preserves fabric quality, and reduces shrinkage. No more tiny t-shirts. And here's a bonus: sunlight naturally brightens whites. Free bleach from the sky. Hack number 5: use a microfiber washing bag. Because tiny plastics are a big problem. A guppy friend or Cora ball bag traps microfibers shed by synthetic fabrics like polyester and nylon. It's like a tiny plastic prison. This prevents these tiny plastics from entering our waterways and harming marine life. Save the fishies. Hack 6: invest in an energy-efficient washing machine. Because your old one is probably tired, look for one with a high energy star rating. It's like a gold star for your laundry room. These machines use up to 50% less water and 25% less energy than conventional models. That's a lot of savings. Plus, they save you money on utility bills in the long run. More money for snacks. Hack 7: optimize the spin cycle. Spin it to win it. Using a higher spin speed extracts more water from your clothes, reducing drying time whether you air dry or use a dryer. Less time waiting, more time living. This is especially helpful for heavier fabrics like towels and denim. No more soggy jeans. Hack 8: make your own fabric softener. Channel your inner DIY guru. Mix vinegar with a few drops of essential oils for a natural and eco-friendly fabric softener. Smells like victory. This softens clothes, breaks down detergent residue, and avoids the harsh chemicals found in conventional softeners. Your clothes will feel the love. Finally, hack 9: regular maintenance. Because even machines need TLC. Clean your washing machine's filters and check hoses and fittings for leaks or wear. Keep it running smoothly. This ensures efficient operation, prevents water waste, and extends the lifespan of your machine. There you have it. 9 simple hacks to make your laundry routine greener and a bit more fun. By making these small changes, you're taking big steps towards protecting our planet. Go you! Thanks for watching and happy eco-friendly laundry days. Now, go save the world, one load at a time.